Jesus Christ. So what do we are?
Hey!
What's wrong with you?
Can't find my cutlass, you know.
Wrong.
When I saw me pull up my cutlass, so I know that's
You're
again.
sick? You have any sickness? You're sick? What's wrong with you? You go for the alcohol and come back and I not even know what I'm to you.
Hey boy, too, me can't find my mash rate, you know. You know some sick in my head. Me mash up, you know, hey boy. Boy, me.
What go on, my beautiful people? I know so now I want to say, yo, where Maggy there? Me say, be a bad movie, I'm not say Maggy. What am Maggy youth? Where you the youth? Where you are going? Me there behind the scene, and me a shoot. See? And me a edit. And me a do some researches. And people, good news. Me a buy some movie online. You see me a deal it? Yeah man, we a distribute some movies and all. So go check out JamaicanMovies.com and you will see some of the movie them over there. See? Yeah man, with all that said, episode 2, Life of a Dead, it there. I want to take it in from start to finish. Make sure you know. Make sure you know. And you are going. I know a long time you don't see me in action. But give me some time. I work on some things. Big up on yourself, you know. You know one Maggy, I never told. Boom. Hold on. Remember my next channel, you know, people. A whole heap of crazy stuff I got over there, you know. Maggy, jam venture, you know. And an adventure, you know. Jam venture. See it there? On the screen, yeah, so. Please. Go over there, go subscribe. Because you want to man a whole heap of activity. I've been telling you, you know. We have food eating contests. We have games. We have... I need to tell you what I'm going on. Whole heap of sitting and go on over. Yes, sir. Maggy Jam Venture. Make sure. Subscribe. See? Big up on yourself.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Babes, all you spray in the house. Anything I spray in the house, it don't mess up my sinus, you know. Anyways, me can't stand on something, I go on road. Simone, you see me have to sleep at door. You afraid thinking something in your house. I want to spray in your house. I mess up my sinus. You forgot seminar work again, me not no money for go to doctor. Gotcha. Simone. Simone. You not hear me? Watch her. Simone.
Maya. Nothing, me there. Girl, me say, you see something you give me last night? I sleep like a baby. Me not hear things a drop. Yeah, me not hear no a drop down in the house. Girl, me just sleep. Me just sleep light. Are we get that something there from?
I want to get the police home. I'm going to add them so. I'm going to the last one for me carry con view. I'm going to work still.
What you mean, lady?
You know me a talk. Want me read the talk?
Anyway, you can link by the guy and tell him to check me. Although I'm not really man more wine, but me just want, you know, you link him back and him come check me.
Mama.
What?
Hey man, say I'm not coming back to your yard because things have been up there and I don't want it.
What you mean by that? Him too Freddy.
I'm not pretty. Anyways, never give one next friend. I don't want to tell them now. Never give one next friend. You understand?
Alright.
You see, I'm going to happen with the first one, me know what happened to this one, which me get some of the bonus, the ducky.
Alright, okay. So when you gonna bring him come?
As soon as I finish up with me, I do.
Alright, Maya, later.
Alright, Simone, yeah.
Oh. So you not hear me? Simone, I want to spray in your house. Can't believe me have my own house and can't sleep in there. See this a girl. I spray dirty thinking something in your house. I try to mash up my sinus and I know me not have no money to go to a doctor. Acha, Miss Gloria! And where are you, sir? You want me to come here funeral already, you know? Come here, for this girl, I stress me. I beat up in me, I see. Come, Miss Gloria! Acha, I beat up in me, I see. Listen there, Miss Gloria, where you calling for?
Andy, come here.
Me, Miss Gloria, the only reason why I would have come there, sir, I just because I want some dope if you said for some people, but bad mind me.
Andy,
What you say?
you cannot hurt me and I cannot hurt you. We are just the same.
What you mean, but the whole of it, it's the same. You know, say come like a Miss Edna. Me living and the two on the dead. I know how they tell me say, yo, we are just the same.
Come close to me, young man.
Miss Gloria, the only reason why me I come this way, you know, to you know. I tell you already, you know. Okay.
Don't be afraid.
I really you this. And this then did bury there too, you know. Come did there, you know. Miss Gloria, where are you so?
Andy, I know and you know that you was at my funeral, but you could not be at your own funeral. They bury you right beside me.
Miss Gloria, me stress, but you come like you did mad before you dead. What you mean about me dead? I'm buried beside you.
I am a senior. I am here before you. So you have to listen. I know you're younger than me, but you need to listen. I died long time ago. You came to my funeral. Yeah? So you know that I died. But you don't know that you're a spirit right now. Stand up right in front of me. Why the reason you think you saw me? Because you're a spirit, so the both of us can see each other. You just have to listen. No one that is alive can see us. You hear me? You died. You're a dead man. Both of us are spirit. Yes, your grave is right beside my grave. Yes, you're a spirit. I am a spirit. The reason why you see me right here now on the street is because I miss my family. So I wait at this corner every night to see when they're passing by, because sometimes they pass by 6 o'clock in the evening and sometimes 12 in the night. You just have to accept it, that you are no longer among the living. Look at your face. It is changing. When I just died, that was happening to me. The same thing, my face was changing. Your face is changing. That means somebody is fighting you away from them. They are chasing you away. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? That's why you look so stressed. You understand? That's the reason why you look so stressed out. Me used to look so too. But me have to understand, say, me can't go there again because them living, me dead. So me just stay at a little corner here every night and watch them when them a pass by. Kiss off of them, wish them goodbye. Me know them not hear me. Them can't see me. Them can't feel me. All when me a call them name, them not hear me.
Listen, Miss Gloria, cut down all of them grave things and top call on dead for me.
You're already dead. Andy, just understand what me I say now.
Miss Gloria,
You're not alive.
Miss Gloria, for what you say to me, you know? Remember say, your tongue powerful the word where you come from, you know. You can't bother if you dead nowadays, you know. Me might stress, yes, but no call on no dead for me.
Young man, whether you believe it or not, he is a dead man.
You know what? Me not turn up your son with you, you know. Cause me tell Miss Edna what you say, me come a for your funeral. And me come a for your funeral. So, me nah make you turn up your son chat no about against about no graveyard. Me not ready for that. You might look stressed, yes, to what you say. I only truthful things me hear you say. Me look stressed. But no come tell me about no dead, Miss Gloria. Me shouldn't even turn up your son chat to you, cause me no want nobody pass and think say me they mad. So you know what me I go do, Miss Gloria? Me I take my little time go about my business. Cause you come like your mother or something. So have a great day.
Nobody can see and they will never see you. But you will understand because the two are with the side and side. Not the same cemetery.
I want the people them find out say I so you there. And get something for run away from there so. Sprinkle something there so. And as a matter of fact, me I go there and so go tell him and them say I say it every night turn up. Me and I go work out, you come and come wish dead for me. Yeah, me bright and water. Why you too? Me remember when me come at your funeral. And you go come talk about me and you. I see you.
more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel, it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be.
Yo, my general, you don't know on the records.
You're
Gotcha.
everything that
But now listen to me.
in this life. 'Cause we're everything we can find in another life. Take my hand and my promises, they're yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you. Keep my heart and my honor is yours to be held, and I want you. I only want you for the rest of my life. My life. For the rest of my life.
How them fruit that smell so nice?
You're in my sight, in my mind.
Why them can't find one ripe one?
In the quiet and up front out loud. In the calm.
Them are nice, here, man.
Cause you're everything that I crave in this life. Cause we're everything we can't find in another life.
Ghosts I talk about my stress. Let me look for myself. Oh! No, sir. Allow me this. You don't want to see that. So, some really look stressed. No, man. Hey, that they thinking something in the house. Me tell someone say, yo, me can't take his scent, you know. And he all know no get rid of his scent. So I have to go sleep again. Boy, me I tell you, brother. I know man tired, man should in the house asleep, And me have to sleep out a door in the night, Joe.
Right, left the clothes when they hang up the
Someone.
towel.
Girl, a 1 week now you have me out here asleep, in the night, Joe, You make dead people all see me and tell me say how me look stressed, I mean know say a mental breakdown that make me have, Simone, you see, the things them where you go on with, me not like that, cause me don't know how all of a sudden, me I go everywhere me go. Dead people are come to me. I go come and tell me say me look stressed. It come like a deja vu or something, come like a mad me a mad. You just a spray thinking something in the house and mess up my sinus. I think me not there sit down, they put a ear upon phone, I tell friend to bring other man come. But make him ever come up here. And you will see something. You think I like the last time with the last one you come here. Just watch. You think me, alright, watch. Me now I move until he come in. Come here and see which boy brave enough to come in my yard. To me woman. Hey, let me tell you this. You see, boy, when you bring come here, what there? I told me never want to mash him up, you know. Because me never mash him up, you know. And you see, boy, when me hear up on your phone, I chat to your friend about say I come here today. Just watch me and hear him. And say me, y'all come lock door in my face, someone. It seems like you don't love me again, you know, because me ain't there all long now, you know. And that I second man this I talk about here, bring come here. Hey, just wait. You must put that boy there. Yo, make y'all come here today if you ever thinking bad. Yo, left out of this way, you know.
Who knock on the door? Sure. Girl, want me? So what time bring the guy come? Alright. May I'll get ready now then, like, oh yeah, bring him come soon. Alright, yeah. Alright, later.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Which one is it?
Right over.
Right over?
Yeah. Right over.
Bike safe. Bike safe as well.
Yeah, man, you see if that's so come. Let me tell you something before you go around there. She like a person who calm. Like man we calm. So let's go around there and be yourself.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Simone! Simone!
Come in.
See the person I'm carrying from you.
Hi.
Alright.
Kesan, this is Simone. Simone, this is Kesan. The person I tell about? Yeah. Meet each other.
Well, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Anyways, Kesan, I'm not staying now, so one do your thing.
Yeah,
Then
man.
we are the door.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then do it later.
Alright.
Alright, so I think you're very handsome. I really don't invite strangers into my house, so you can sit down, have a seat.
Not too bad still.
something about yourself.
Well, he's a jovial youth, you know. He really make nothing bother me. As long as they're straightforward with me, straightforward with them in a growing corner.
Okay, I need
Just
to
like
ask
now,
a couple questions.
your lips ain't sweet and I'm walking more and tell her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
No, more than there I said me have one.
You sure?
Very, very sure.
Any exes that is obsessed with you?
No, I'm not deal with ex. Them to me is just like a wild bird. When I open the cage and let them go, then they're gone.
Okay. Well, for me, my boyfriend passed off.
Boyfriend pass away.
Yeah, about
Shit.
4 to 5 months now.
So yeah, deal with that.
It's been rough. That is why my friend trying to get me to date again.
Okay. I'm right, man, because I know if you listen and deal with certain situations. Just like how you say, you worry about him same way or not?
Not really. And you remember him too, the only thing that him clear complexion and you dark.
Oh, I'm black and but what may I say? What got between me? You serious or you just look somebody to talk to in that time period?
Well, me have to me go and talk to you to see what you's like. But I go tell you say something serious like gonna happen.
No, I don't want you rush, you know. You take your time. Say what I just want to know. So we're on the same page.
Actually, you know, say my boyfriend is not around anymore.
Picture,
Yeah, me have one picture with him. You know him?
I don't know what I would man. I'm mechanic with this. I would have fixed my bike one time.
Yeah.
And we catch the heart attack. Sorry if I remind you or give memory. You know him.
It's okay.
The one good youth. And that time I see like him do some body work on car. He can do whole person, jack of all trade.
Yeah, true.
Supposed to tell her that.
True, man, him do everything, so.
I'm sorry if I give a reminder of him.
It's okay.
Good? Alright, so tell me more about you now.
Well, me easy going, me not go nowhere. Me stay home all the time. Not gonna lie, you're really handsome and we can go out, we can set a date and go out.
Friends like river and anything like them we are somewhere or a picnic.
That's what I like.
Yeah, picnic yeah. Love that. But I just you to tell me date and time and where we are going.
Well, I forgot back at work next week, but I'm ask you some more time.
So where work?
By the airport.
Where work at the airport?
Yeah.
Jesus. We can get free ticket and we fly out anymore.
Like really? You have a visa?
No, we go take a number. Hold on, I take some people because they told me they deliver. I tell them to come on fire or something. Give me some time.
Alright.
Someone said that next man this year bringing on my place. You think me never did come up here come catch you? All you boy, me not fix a bike already. So for the 10 days I look me woman. Hey boy.
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Mash up, you know.
You alright?
I'm cut last day.
What's wrong with you? What wrong? Jesus Christ. So what do you?
Hey!
What wrong with
so
you?
You can't find me cutlass, you know.
Really wrong.
Me have some pull up my cutlass. So you let us again.
You have any sickness? You're sick? What wrong with you? You go for the alcohol and come back and me not even warm to you.
Hey boy, true, me can't find me mash up, you know. You know some sick in my head. Me mash up, you know, hey boy. Boy, me mash up, you know, boy.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain.
That dead, I don't feel that. I'm gonna take him up. And I see thinking something where I sprayed on my house when I tap trigger off my sinus. I should have mash it me use span him.
No, alcohol. Wake up now. Wake up. What the hell? I want to go on your saw. Somebody look like him dead. Jesus Christ, what call Maya? No, man.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Girl, the guy where you bring come around here look like him dead. What kind of sick man is you bring around me here, girl? No, go see the man I like him on phone and start vomit. Girl, me don't know what me I gonna do now. What me fi do? Me don't know what fi do. Come here, the man dead. Me I put alcohol on him nose. Me I feel him pulse. Me I shake him. The man dead. Girl, what kind of man is you bring come here? The man dead. Hurry up and come. Cause me don't know what fi do. It's correct. The girl, where she get that money from? I want to. Jesus. Yeah. I mean.
Simone! What do him?
Man dead. You never know say man sick. Oh, me feel know him sick. Can start vomit up and then when me look, the next time I run go for the alcohol, next time I come back, he gone.
So what we are gonna do now?
What we are gonna do? Oh, me feel know what we are gonna do.
Mama, me not get in trouble, you know? And me carry me and people see when me I carry him come here. And nobody not talk about me do him something.
So excuse me, I mean
here, Mama.
hello, remember me and the man just flung yes and talk. And the next thing me know him start vomit.
Mama, him man a somebody where sicky, me know him.
But me don't know him. Listen, you see next time, me to tell you what you do. All you have to do, I will call the police. But you see next time, me don't want no more man. Me don't want no more man.
You come and see your curse, you know, because man where you get the, you do them sitting.
Me? So
see Andy dead. Are you mash up Andy? You see a salt, brother?
You see, you a long time I know you're bad man. You know. Oh, me for my show Andy. Look what cares me and Andy live here good, and then Andy just text it because I work too much. Look here now, you see the sick man them when you bring us. That's why I know you not like me, no. Because first you bring one walk cough, and now you bring one cough up and then. Look a girl, look here now, call the police coming out, nothing to do with this.
You see you? I should have known, make Andy know if you do it in there, so. Pull this.
Look here, Andy now do me because Andy feel me, man. Andy love me. I jealous, you're jealous.
Yes, you're cursed, mama.
Jealous, you're jealous of me.
Give me back the color, let me
Me can't give you, come here.
Andy, we know if you do it in that.
Make him
Give
know
me
if
this.
you feel me, man. If
You're
you're
ungrateful. Move, you're ungrateful. Me just say so me can't go enough to make your name sitting. Even know if you do again.
But wait, you not come like in a spirit again. Babes, I saw enough to smell. This a center now go mash up my sinus. But anyways, I cook. So I go around my kitchen there. You must cook. You see the youth where you bring come here? You know what do me nothing here. But me did have to mash him up. Cause the youth they too bright and you too bright too. Cause the youth they boy me used to fix him bike. And it look like a long time we been a flirt with you till me I can come get to see my yard sit down with you. Yo. I can't even know enough. Someone! Anyway, still, me full good in my pot still, and I'm going to name some, you know. Shirts my food.
What going to that? I soon come back at work. Soon. I soon come back at work. What? You hear say me and a live man when? Look here now. Nothing no go so. Where you get the argument there from? I'm a friend when named Maya. And she bring the guy come and the guy is sick. Me and the guy song attack and me only see him start hook up and vomit up, and by the time he go to my house and my alcohol and come back, the youth gone. You know, see the youth is sick. Me don't know him. I'm a friend. Me don't know him from now. I'm sick. Nothing I go so. No. The youth is sick. Yeah. That's what me say. No, nothing like that. Nothing I go so. Me never know him. Yeah. Why? And that's why you call me. You don't like people business. Oh, how could you the far and you hear that? Oh, who tell you so? Hey, just forget that out of your head. Here, because remember somebody you grieve already. You forgot somebody you grieve already? I mean, I never do that to somebody's child. As what me say, I don't know him. And it look like him bit sick. What you mean? Then how long? I saw 4 months up. What you mean why me in a grief? Look here now. Look here. Juliet. Later here. What you mean by every man me talk to such up? Look here now. Hey, you know what? Come off my phone later.
say this never used to happen to me. So really wrong youth.
Listen to me, son. Let me tell you. A heart attack kill you. And how you gonna really remember you have to go back at this place where you did there.
Boy, boss, you really violate me, you know. Come here, sir, good film. Jaja. Boss, my heart.
Stay put, man. Stay put. They'll call the ambulance. They'll call the ambulance out to thing. Come fast. You lay down for the dirt here. Quick.
No, that never happened to me. No, that never happened to me. No.
It's more than enough to let the light in. The way you're making me feel it's divine. It's enough to let it flow, let it be.
No, we can't believe something dead. No, can't believe something dead. I can't believe something dead. Oh, so me said I did right. Nobody don't want to talk to me. Even my boss don't want to talk to me.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider went up the
Miss Edna! Miss Edna!
Oi.
Just a minute there, please.
Where you say now, my dear child?
Boy, me said nah. You know, so what you? Where did I tell me say look like a true door?
What you talking about? Come to me more clearer.
Me said nah. Remember what you had tell me say? Me dead enough. And he never look like me dead enough. I'm just a find out. Say me dead.
You may not tell you, man. You caught up in between world, that's why you couldn't figure it out. But now you understand when I tell you. Now you understand. Me tell you say heart attack kill you. Me in the ambulance with you. So me see everything.
So me said now, what you doing at the ambulance today?
At the same ambulance that did carry me, you know. That's why I not stop visit the ambulance there.
So me said now, if you did in there when me did about dead, you couldn't help me.
Me couldn't help you because me already ghost already.
Jesus
Ghost
Christ.
can't help ghosts.
Me stress out, me said now.
Son, me know so you're stressed out. So in order for you, you have to go up the back, relax, go back to your grave, relax, and then you come back a road.
So Miss Edna, I mean I really want to go in a grave.
But you know did already, you know one already, you have to go find back that one there.
Miss Edna, I know that when I come check you still, you know. I come to find out if you have no link, cause I want to go back in a world, in a living world. Cause me I get to find out say nobody now pay me no money. And I want back my woman. My woman can't see me, my boss can't see me to pay me either. So I no mind if you can tell me about a link so I can find, so I can come back in a life of living.
No son, there is no way in the world that can ever happen. You have to go just lay down and rest off, and the day of judgment, you listen for your name if you call.
So Miss Edna, how long that?
Boy, my son, that's how I can't tell you. The whole of it there wait for the day there.
Boy, Miss Edna, come like that I go take long enough cause for me a little pitney me people a chat about judgment day.
The most I can tell you is that me no want you get no trouble in the street for nobody can see you. Someone you behave yourself and just relax yourself until that day come. So me can't tell you when that day
so
will come.
The whole
remember nobody can see you. So there are enough things out there where you can do because you are ghosts. So nobody can see you. So me I beg you, just relax and wait because a long time me I hear about this judgment day and everybody I wait same way. So me just want you relax and wait same way like everybody else. That's the most me can tell you. Never mind, my son. Go in peace. Go in peace.
Wait, how this man I left this car so careless? All the king left in there. Miss Edna did say nobody can see me now. Well, long want a car. Hold on. How are you gas there? You know, this head not say me not give no trouble. Now let's see what that woman they say no. Yo, I'm never rest off. I'm tired.
Eh? Why can't I in the office, Mr. Why
Yes, sir, good, sir. Pass a cooler, you know, sir. I
know cooler to jackass out there, so. How who the hell can name me no know?
Sir, I know pay a jackass live up there, sir. You see over there, sir, if you go over there, sir, enough go over there.
Listen.
And then be a jackass up there, sir.
But that's what I tell you, if you take up your book, everything where you get at school, take it. You hear what I say?
Don't make the dopey fool, you don't know nobody.
Shake it, baby, shake it.
You know, it's something where both and the person in the pan and go up in our ear. Yeah. That me want go pan.
You see something I know? You want to feel something I know, so I say get you.
So you're making her do this? That's why I don't like you, witch. Oh, stupid. Yeah.
Jamaican bad boy, you got to walk. You got to walk like a bad boy, right?
Okay.
You got to do something like this, you know what I mean? And do your head like this. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Hold on. Where are you married at?
No, man, make that channel and that. Right now, I'm not doing business with that, you know. God, no. You know what I mean, and that.
Sure, if you want. Hold on, I'm going like so now. Subscribe up. Oh, for when I'm telling you, say subscribe. It's a joking thing with the pan. Ah, my son. I train a age, but I'm not running down.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, mama. So, now, yo, you. What time are you subscribe to Maggy Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
And oh, you say what? No, you say boy.
Well, I tell you, it's like some demonic Satan ritual thing I go on your saying about, so it's the same thing.
And we are still as woman. I know Whitney attack.
She said one cause.
She said one. Whereas I call beers, baby, my wife, me this, me that. So I got her stress. A matter of fact too. She there.
Stand right there.
On the breadfruit, leave them.
No. On the carpet, do not disrespect my carpet. Put up back your foot, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the carpet.
What you call the carpet?
May I dirty up my
Sorry
floor.
about that now.
Stand up on the carpet.
Yes, sir.
On the carpet. Put up your foot on the carpet. Put up your next foot.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes, on the carpet, sir.
Yes, sir.
On the carpet.
Where carpet them?
Mind you dirty up my floor, sir. Mind you dirty up.
Yes, sir.
Not dirty up my floor.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Right there, sir. Stand right there, sir.
Alright.
Anyway, look into my face.
Yeah.
And I don't want you to quint.
Get up on her. Mommy. What kind of slackness? What kind of slackness do they keep up? Mister, what kind of slackness do they keep up?
I don't know.
What swag mask come here today, boat?
In combo ice water and
in combo ice water. And you in combo ice water.
Yes.
He say in her ear and he come here and he stop you forget look at ice water. And you dey put argument to him, what kind of style that?
I put no argument to him, mommy.
What you dey do? Eh?
I put no argument
to him. Where they do, Kayla? Look here, look, my man.
Me never dey look him, I'm not look.
What you mean him a look here? A liar tell her you a look him.
No, mommy. Me never dey put no argument to him.
Hey. Don't touch me.
Mommy never put no argument to him, mommy.
Tibi, and you don't know, say one Maggy Films me I represent for. And if you don't know, subscribe.
Yeah, man, they're not subscribers, see? Anna me, no. Anna me call nobody pound in. Yeah.
You can't nobody see that. Here, give me that.
Your other sister come down there come make report. Say you that's your bigger sister.
And who do it? Them have to go pay.
No man.
I can't believe say me get to call say my sister dead and it happen for true.
Calm down, sir. Calm down.
What am I gonna do now?
Mommy, and make sure you have one little account on the side when you know about.
What? Stefan, no money in the panic card. Like literally no money. At all.
So you expect say money I got done every day you use it take off 30,000, 40,000.
I gotta work the thing about it. Come here and put that baby to and all of them something there.
You come like you play with him in the army and teach you now learn. You have to put pressure upon the man.
No man, this not look like a you dog.
Maggy.
Remember now, no. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend say Maggy Films are entertain people to the fullest.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye.